Are you ready to supercharge your affiliate marketing game? Get ready, because the Ambassador program is about to rock your world. This isn't your run-of-the-mill package, it's a revolution in affiliate marketing, tailored to meet your every need. We're talking about an evergreen webinar funnel that is a high-converting powerhouse. A one-way ticket to big earnings. But hold on, because that's just the beginning. With the Ambassador program, you get a free report and opt-in page to build your email list. And the best part? Your affiliate link is branded all over the report. Each subscriber who registers for the webinar through your link puts money right in your pocket. Pure, sweet passive income. Get ready to unlock the power of recruitment with access to a JV page, recruiting affiliates for you, and earning you 50% commission on the profits they generate. What's more, you also get a killer 9-part email sequence and a comprehensive video training series, taking you through 12 steps to ensure your success. Throw in a traffic trifecta module that will drive quality traffic to your funnels, guest posting opportunities, and a 99-day follow-up email sequence promoting high-converting affiliate offers. And you've got a recipe for success. So what are you waiting for? Get in on the action now. Click on the link below and join the Ambassador program today.